Hello and welcome to Amazing Sensory Designs, and this is a part of the Sensory Subscription Kit, and this is the Dolphin Sensory Kit here, and we got some fidgets in here. So let's do a quick little training on how to utilize this. So we're going to take this out the bag. Dolphin here, Sensory Dolphin, very soft here. Alright, so let's try the first exercise. So the first exercise, we're going to rub our hand across the dolphin here while we're breathing. Going across, breathing in, breathing out. See how the design changes. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing from the stomach, going across the top of the dolphin. Breathing in, breathing out, in, breathing out. Now for the little ones, you're gonna have to demonstrate it, but make sure that you're supervising them, making sure that they don't peel any of the silky off of here and try and, put them in their mouth or anything like that. It's non-toxic, but you don't want them to swallow any of these things. But they're secured on here pretty good, so it's a good product right here. And you're gonna go here, across, here, breathing in, breathing out. Now we're gonna squeeze it. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, that's our dolphin. Now we got a little shark right here. Kind of a flexible fidget shark coming straight at you. Great for sensory input and fine motor activity. So now we're going to like this. We're going to start on this side. Breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in. And you can demonstrate it first and then have them do it. Breathing in, breathing out, prompt them to breathe, breathing in. This also, all types of cool stuff. Just do a Sharpie here. Alright, so that's the shark. Here we got the snail. Same thing, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. All right, Sensory Kit here. Thank you so much for your time. Make sure you visit our website and subscribe. Our website is AmazingSensoryDesigns.com, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you.